This is POCO X5 5G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So to start, you will need to enable Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Then at the control panel of your device, find the tile or shortcut that says nearby share, touch and hold onto it. Then turn on the use nearby share switch, and well, at this point the feature is actually enabled and somewhat ready to use, but you can make a little more further configurations. For example, you can rename the device, so I'll rename it to POCO X5. It's not the most original of names, but it will help us to identify our device just fine. Then you can turn on or turn off the device visibility, and once it is visible you can also make it visible only to your own devices, to the people from your contacts list, or to everyone who is currently in range of nearby share function. Then final configuration that you can make is to change the data protocol or data type that will be used for the file transfer. And well, you are all good to go. So now let's test this feature out. Let's say I'll try to send this screenshot through the nearby share and see how well my POCO phone will receive it. So as you can see, my device was actually discovered without any issues at all. Now we gotta accept transfer at the receiver's end or on our end. So let's wait for this message to pop up, then accept the file transfer, and well, here you have it. And like that you can move or send a copy of any imaginable file, should it be a document, picture, video, audio, or APK file, even just whatever you have stored on your other device that is serving the role of sender. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.